Hello and welcome to this video, which is about the Dyson DC65 Animal Complete Upright Vacuum Cleaner. And most importantly, in this video I am going to answer the most frequently asked questions. It's not a review video, it's actually a video with the most common questions being answered. So let's begin. Now, the first question that is being asked most frequently by most people who are interested in the Dyson DC65. The question is, how much does the Dyson DC65 weigh and what is its weight when it is assembled? So the answer to that is really straightforward. The Dyson DC65 weighs just under 17 pounds. The next question is, what is the biggest size Dyson pet vacuum? For people who are looking at different models of the vacuums. Now the answer is that this one, the Dyson DC65 Animal Complete, is the biggest size Dyson pet vacuum. It really picks up here like nothing, and the attachments are great. The question about emptying the bin, since the bin looks a bit tiny, it looks like it fills up quickly and needs to be dumped often. The answer to that is that actually the pictures online makes the cup look smaller than it is. But what I do is I empty the cup every time I vacuum. Well, because I have a 90-pound double-coated dog who sheds like crazy. It's not difficult to empty the bin. Now, the next question is about moving the Dyson DC65. The question is, will it move easily on high pile carpets? And the answer to that is that it will move well over them. It does have a carpet setting and a floor setting, and it's really easy to push around, and on carpet it pulls itself forward with the floor brush turned on. So the amount of dirt and hair the Dyson picks up is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a link below the video that will take you to a website to save up to 40% off the Dyson DC65. If you like this video, just share it with your friends, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.